Today we're going to be making the Ghost Rider, one of my favorite things. I'm going to teach you how to make fresh coconut. While I try and reinvent every single complicated area to my bar. Okay, first let's get this out of here. We got green. You're so beautiful. Oh, hey, I didn't see you guys there. I was just talking to my new 100,000 sub plaque that I have been, just having good times with. And to celebrate this beautiful plaque, we're gonna talk about all the cool things that got me to 100K, all the things you guys did for me, and we're gonna celebrate by popping open a couple of America flavored Mountain Dews. I have hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I cannot overstate how thankful I am for this. I mean, it's amazing, guys. 100K has been a dream of mine for years now. It's hard to even put into words, but it's been a long time in the making. I've been working hard. I've been stepping up my videos. I've been getting a videographer. I've been getting new ideas from him. We have been taking things to the next level, and it's finally showing. I mean, Ivan came on, my cameraman, cinematographer, if you want to be fancy. He came on last August, and I mean, I guess it really took probably like 4 months to really get a direction. First 2 months, he sucked, guys. He was terrible. Garbage. I mean, you should have seen these photos. They looked like they were taken on like an iPhone 4. I don't know what he was doing. It was crazy. This Sonic video, I love Sonic. First Sonic video right out the gate, out of focus. But this isn't the Ivan Slander Show, because guess what? It started clicking and we got my most viewed video ever on YouTube. I think the Darth Vader cocktail sits at, no, Darth Vader mocktail sits at around like 8 million or something crazy like that. And that is one of my favorite techniques. So if you are an aspiring bartender, non-alcoholic mixologist, whatever it is, guys, dunk your fingers in those drinks, because if you have clean fingers, what is the problem? Every comment on that video is like, you dunk your fingers in it. Oh, dude, it's crazy. I love it. I love the engagement. I'm gonna keep doing it. So Darth Vader is probably one of the biggest reasons we hit 100K, but there's been other drinks in there too. The Dirty Wastelander from back in 2021 or 2022 popped off, boom, everyone loved that. People were very confused as to why blackberries, when mixed with a green liquid, make brown. I mean, that's like common sense. Blackberries are actually more so red in the color, so if you mix red and green, what do you get? You get brown, duh. I mean, that was crazy. So that was another viral one. I remember another viral one now. I was scared that it was gonna be my most viral video for a long time. It's disgusting. It's the time I made, and I think you should bleep that out, because I don't know if we can say that, even though I have a whole video on it. I don't know, but anyways, I taught people how to make, now, YouTube, don't ban me. I did not actually teach anyone how to make anything. All I had was creme de violet in a glass, and I pretended it was grape syrup or the other stuff. And I had a purple shirt on. I put on some like, I don't know, Lil Xan or some. What's the deal, man? You want some lean? What are you crying for? Go upstairs. Anyways, what I was saying, the lean video popped off. Every comment is just either some giga chads being like, that's not actually lean, I've drank lean my entire life. And I'm like, well, that's why you're just some weirdo hating on me on YouTube for not making an illegal drug. And then the other comments are lean, so great video, glad it popped off. Those three are my top videos, but of my favorite videos, as far as short form goes, I think my Breaking Bad mocktails and cocktails crushed it. My Red Bull syrup video is amazing. I love the loop on that one. I thought it was funny. The only problem is I was about 30 pounds heavier and I had a man bun, so do with that what you will. And then finally, my Majora's Mask cocktail and mocktail. Beautiful, amazing, absolutely delicious. So check those out if you have the time. Maybe I'll link them down below if I'm not feeling lazy when I edit the description for this. We'll see what future Jason's feeling. All right, I wanna help you guys become bartenders. I wanna teach you all my behind the scenes tricks. So I'm teaching you more syrups, I'm teaching you more techniques, I'm teaching you what you need to build a bar, what you need in that bar once you've built it. So that's where the channel's going. I also love to review things, which is why our next step in this video is gonna be trying 3 flavors of the new American Mountain Dews. Before we get to that, guys, let me know in the comments, what has been your favorite video of mine? What made you sub to the channel? Like, what was the final video you're like, oh, this dude makes sick stuff. Was it just enough of my videos in your feed? I finally deserved a spot. What was it? Why did you sub to me? Make sure you leave a comment. I want to thank you personally. Without further ado, let's try some Mountain Dew. That rhymes. I wanted to get clear glasses so that you guys could see the colors of them because, I mean, if you're like me, that's like the first thing. I see a new soda, I'm like, ooh, what color is it? How am I gonna put it into a drink? Let's do it right, let's do it right. We have red, white, and blue. Let's try red first. This is the Star Spangled Splash, Dew with a blast of red berry flavor with other natural flavors. What the heck is a red? Are we saying strawberry? Okay, let's try it because there's no hints here on the label. Red berry Mountain Dew. All right, so it looks just like Code Red, nice deep red color. Looking yummers, if I do say so myself. Nice and fizzy. It's really good. It's not overly sweet despite being 160 calories in here. It tastes a lot like Code Red, but less Mountain Dewy, if that makes sense. I'm not really getting any citrus in here. This one's more like a straight up fruit punch, but a tame fruit punch, like a strawberry raspberry fruit punch. Maybe cherry. If I was rating this, I would give this one a 7.5 out of 10 because that for me is just your basic rating. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing amazing about it. Next up on the list is Freedom Fusion, Dew with a blast of lemonade and peach flavor with other natural flavors. Sounds good. Oddly enough, this one has 10 calories more. Same thing, it doesn't really have any hints on, I mean, it told us it was white peach and lemonade, but I don't know, maybe there's a hint on what the extract is, but not today. Let's crack it open and see what we're dealing with here. And I'm a little disappointed in the color. I thought we were gonna get something more like whiteout. I don't know, I thought whiteout was a little bit more white, if I'm being honest, but maybe this is the right color. This is white. Oh, I love, there's a cactus on here. Oh, dude, it's got if you look right here, it's the Monument Valley. You got aliens on there. This is a well-designed can. The bald eagles are chasing them out of America. Sounds American to me. Let's check out the other can. Let's go back. This was just fireworks, nothing crazy. This is a cool can. Very well-designed can. Shout out to the designer of Mountain Dew. If you've ever had the white peach Calpico, I've used that in so many of my videos. It's delicious, it's amazing. It's got this very like round peach feel. It's very wholesome. It's just so delicious and refreshing. That's a lot like this. Obviously with the added citrus, I don't think they really truly used like a lemon extract in here. I bet they used that same original Mountain Dew flavor in here and then added peach to it. It's really good. And I don't actually love peach all that much. So I'm gonna give this one a 7.75. We're getting into the quarters here. So it's good. It's definitely one of the best peach drinks I've ever had. So on the very final Mountain Dew, we have Mountain Dew Liberty Chill, 50 flavors in one Dew. 50 flavors of what? Because they released this a long time ago. It actually used to be called just Liberty Dew. They released this back in 2020 or 2021, and it was, again, 50 flavors. Are there 50 flavors of Mountain Dew? Does anyone have a count on that? And if so, there have been new flavors since the last one came out. Is this the same flavors? I mean, whoa, this has red 40 in it, but I'm like 90% sure this is a blue soda. So why do we got red 40 in here? And this one's also 170 calories, making Star Spangled Splash the healthiest by 10 calories. As far as the design here, nothing too crazy. You got the Statue of Liberty riding a motorcycle, some fireworks in the background. That white peach can, it was designed beautifully though. Let's crack it open. And yeah, it's blue. I mean, I guess it's a darker blue. Maybe that's where the red 40 comes in. Weird, I do like the color on this. It's a deep blue. It's a nice deep, deep blue. I mean, it's not 50 flavors in one. That doesn't even make sense because it tastes good. If you mix 50 flavors of Mountain Dew, it just tastes like sugar. This tastes like something. It's refreshing. I'm gonna go pineapple. It tastes similar to the Frostbite, but a little bit more tropical. I don't know what it is, but it's the best one. I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. Liberty Chill takes the cake, followed by White Peach, or what do we call this? Freedom Fusion? Followed by Freedom Fusion and Red Berry. Already had them lined up. Mountain Dew, you did a good job this year. And I love that they released 3 flavors. They usually don't go all out. I mean, we've gotten so many Mountain Dews this year. It's crazy. I think this was a great 100K episode. I love that I got to celebrate it here with America Soda, USA, USA. Speaking on that note, I'm gonna start throwing milliliters in some of my videos, but regardless, thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for 100K subs. I cannot express my gratitude for that enough. I'm excited. At this moment of filming, we're at like 170K. I would love to get to 1 million for the next milestone, and we will get to 1 million. It's a matter of when, not if. Thank you again so much, guys. Don't forget, comment your favorite video of mine down below. I wanna find out what got everyone on this channel, what they love about the channel, and what's kept them here. So thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to America.